name is Amelia.
I'm Ben.
And we do Star Wars cosplays.
Mine, I have right here, is made out of a thermoplastic known as Sintra, which they use in signage for campaign signs and all that. Pretty readily available at any plastic supplier. I have one here in Phoenix. If you're gonna 3D print your armor, don't use ABS because it will melt. It'll melt in the heat. This is made out of PETG. Resin casting. It's a bit more expensive, but it's more durable and it gives you a much cleaner look. That's what my helmet's made from. It is fully cast in resin, and when I got it, it was completely blank white. And so I primed it, and I added a base coat of this metallic silver, and then I added the green and the sandy green and the lime details onto it, which I think turned out pretty cool. These little hand plates, gave it a primer, painted it silver, masked it off with toothpaste, and then sprayed it green, wiped off the toothpaste so you could see the silver underneath so it looked like it was damaged, and then I just attached it to the glove. For the beginning, the very beginning, even before we think about going and buying materials and stuff, we actually he drew out designs for each of our armor to kind of scope out what style of armor we wanted and what color schemes and things like that. And I think he drew up like 50 plus ideas for my helmet design. There were so many. And this one ended up being my favorite with the 2 stripes that I think are going to continue down through the chest plate whenever we have that all done. And yeah, it's a really cool process. So my Mandalorian character is still in the works as of right now, but she's not, I know for a fact that she's not a child of the Watch, so she can remove her helmet. My Mandalorian is also not a member of the Children of the Watch. He is a Beastmaster, so his bounties are more animals and less people. If you see on my armor, there's quite a bit of damage on it. There's a lot of chunks torn out of it, blasted out of it.
But that is the really cool thing about it, is creating these characters and telling stories related to stories that we already know and universes that we already know and love so much. Being able to use those and fill in the gaps and have that as a creativity outlet is so fun, and it's really cool. If you want to see more about our processes with creating cosplays and our cosplays just in general, my TikTok handle is @magical.mayhem.
My TikTok handle is @_ben.kenobi_. Thanks to FashionEarsta for reaching out to us and having us talk a little bit about our passions with you.
Bye.
This is the way.
Even if you don't DIY, you can still incorporate Star Wars fashion into your wardrobe with accessories. You can be really obvious and go big with Baby Yoda ears, like this pair from TPA Designs, or add more subtle Star Wars flair to your outfits just using accessories. You probably noticed that every little detail in the Star Wars universe, including jewelry and hairstyles, it all has some special meaning. So up next, you can test your knowledge of Star Wars with our Jedi accessories quiz. Who knows, you might pick up some fashionable trivia to impress your friends and family the next time you visit a galaxy far, far away.
I'm going to ask as many questions about Jedi fashion accessories as we can kind of fit in exactly 2 minutes, and whoever answers the most questions correctly wins. So I'm going to put 2 minutes on the clock. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
So ready.
All right, here we go. And start. All right, who is the only Jedi known to have a purple lightsaber?
Beep.
Oh, yeah, make a beep. Sorry.
Beep.
Who is
Mace
it?
Windu.
Mace Windu. All right, ding, 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 ding. All right, 1 point for the fancy Floridian. All right, what is the symbol of rank that a young Jedi in training wears?
Feet?
Yep,
Is it a Padawan braid?
you got it. Yay! True or false? Jedi have requirements when it comes to the cloaks, tunic, and robe that they wear.
Ding.
Okay.
True.
It's false. It's false. They can wear whatever they want. All right, next question. This is a hard question. What are the crossguard blades called on Kylo Ren's lightsaber?
Ding.
Yes.
Dark saber.
No.
I have no clue.
Oh my gosh, we don't know? Okay. Quillons is what they're called.
That is
Quillons.
hard. Wow.
That was a hard question.
I've never heard of that.
All right, last question. Are you ready?
Ready.
What are the cylindrical shaped capsules that are attached to a Jedi's belt? They're about this big. They are silver, gold, chrome, black,
dang.
all different colors. Yes.
Crystals?
Nope.
Ding. They smoke bombs?
No, they're energy and food capsules.
I almost said lightsabers, but then I didn't. So you should they are
I'm very proud of
cylindrical,
you that
and
you
they are
didn't say
attached to the
that.
belt.
All right, so it looks like the FashionEarsta who gets to take home the coveted title of Jedi Fashion Master is the Fancy Floridian. Yes. All right, well, we hope you had a ton of fun testing your knowledge of Jedi accessories. Make sure to check out all of our other Star Wars videos and subscribe here and on Facebook and Instagram to see all of our fashionable Disney content.
Not bad. You remembered to destroy the weapons first.
I'm improving your technique. I'm Ahsoka?
Commander, I knew you'd get here, Snips. Eventually.
Revenge is not the Jedi way.
I am no Jedi.
Whether you're a die-hard fan of Ahsoka or you just learned about her from this video, you can stand mom trolls and shoulders above the crowd with fashion inspired by her vibrant patterns and colors. Ears like these Disney designer ears by Her Universe can help you put together a standout look. Check out our review of these ears on our website, which I'll post in the link below. Another way to stand out in Disney World crowd is with a vintage or dapper look. Up next, I'll show you behind the scenes scoop of how I designed and assembled a dapper Darth Vader look to wear to Spring 2021 Dapper Day at Disney World. I'll share my tricks and tips on how to make sure you have a magical time in vintage couture.
Want to try to put together a Dapper Days Star Wars outfit, but not sure where to begin? Here at FashionEarsta, we say start with the ears. Finding a character-inspired headpiece like this BB-8 Fascinator from Amber's Unique Boutique can help you decide on a color scheme or even the decade that you're going to dress from. Be sure to check out my full review of this amazing Fascinator. I loved it. I'll link the description below. But, you know, more importantly, we really hope that you enjoyed this cruise through Star Wars fashion. Check out the full-length versions of these video clips here on our YouTube channel, or visit FashionEarsta.com for Star Wars ear reviews, Disney trivia, and other fashionable content. From all of us here at FashionEarsta, pixie dust and glamour, and may the Force be with you.